Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on StockX. Now there is two things to take in consideration. Are we going to talk about the phase that before the shipping or after the shipping? Because as you will be seeing in this page, although StockX does not allow buyers to change the address on purchase in progress, depending on who your item is shipped with, you may be eligible to change some aspects of your delivery throughout them throughout them in order to make your delivery process more convenient. So this thing is basically clear. If you have bought a product and it is in the shipping or in the progress of shipping, the actual changement of address is not available unless you were in certain circumstances. So you could either go with, in case for example you were working with UPS, FedEx, or DHL, you can try to contact them. It is not an option that is gonna like it is not like a right, or basically it is not up to them, up to you to change it. It's up to them to decide if you have like the right to or not. They can deny your request or they can accept it, depending on their service. But for those who haven't made the order yet, you can easily change your address simply by going to the settings and basically going, for example, here. I'm going to buy something, and through this area, for example, I'm going to buy this Nike Force. So through this area of the product page, you will click on Buy Now, and once you click on Buy Now, they will be taking you to a page where you will be putting your address. So there you can actually uh, edit the address. So normally for new accounts you will have add address, but for all the accounts, as you can see here, you will have edit address instead of add. So simply click on edit and change the address to wherever you want. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.